In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a link in Lucidchart in 3 simple ways. You can link a shape or text to a website, jump to another page in the same document, or connect to another Lucidchart file in your account. This is a great way to make your diagrams more interactive, more organized, and easier for your team to navigate. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's jump in. First, open your Lucidchart document and select the shape or text you want to turn into a clickable link. You can click directly on a shape on your canvas or highlight text if that is what you want to connect. Once it's selected, right-click on it and choose Add Link. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also use Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac. This shortcut is usually the fastest way to open the link options. Now you'll see a small menu with different link types. If you want to send someone to a website, choose URL from the drop-down. This is the option you use for external links, like a company website, a help center article, a Google Doc, or any public web page. After selecting URL, paste your destination link into the text box. Double-check that the link is correct so your viewers or teammates go to the right page. When everything looks good, click Apply. Your shape or text is now clickable, and anyone viewing the Lucidchart file can use it to open that web page. Next, let's look at how to link to another page inside the same Lucidchart document. This is really useful if you have a large flowchart, a multi-page process map, or an internal diagram with several sections. Start by selecting the shape or text you want to use as the link. Then press Ctrl+K on PC or Command+K on Mac to open the link menu again. This time, choose Page from the drop-down list. You'll then see a list of pages inside your document. Pick the page you want to send people to, and Lucidchart will connect that shape directly to that page. If you need a brand new page, you can also click the plus icon to create and link to one at the same time. This is perfect for building clean, connected diagrams that are easy to explore. Now for the third option, you can link to another Lucidchart document. This is helpful when you want one diagram to point to a related file, such as a separate workflow, an org chart, or a detailed process breakdown. Again, select the shape you want to make clickable and press Ctrl+K. This time, select Document from the menu. Then click Browse Documents and choose the file from your Lucid account. Once you find the right document, click Select. Now that shape becomes a shortcut to another Lucidchart file, which makes it much easier to organize related projects without cluttering one canvas. If you want to edit or change a link later, just click the linked shape or text and open the same link settings again. From there, you can update the URL, switch the link type, or remove it completely. It's a simple process, and once you know where the link menu is, it only takes a few seconds. So to quickly recap, you can insert a link in Lucidchart by selecting a shape or text, using Add Link or Ctrl+, and then choosing URL, page, or document depending on what you need. External website, another page, or another Lucidchart file, you've got all 3 options covered. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.